Inhere was founded in 2012 and is located in Guangzhou, China. We are a comprehensive packaging and printing enterprise that integrates design, production, and sales. For many years, we have been committed to providing personalized and high-quality packaging solutions to global customers. From daily paper boxes and bags to high-end customized gift boxes and book printing, we can meet your diverse needs with unique creativity and exquisite craftsmanship. Next, let me introduce you to our business scope. Customized paper boxes, whether it's food packaging, electronic product packaging boxes, or cosmetic gift boxes, we can design practical and beautiful paper boxes based on your brand characteristics and product features. Environmentally friendly materials and exquisite printing make your product stand out among numerous competitors. Paper bag customization, eco-friendly shopping bags, branded tote bags, gift bags. Each paper bag is our perfect interpretation of fashion and practicality. We offer a variety of material options, from classic craft paper to fashionable specialty paper, paired with exclusive patterns and text designs, making every carry a grand showcase. High-end gift box. For those who pursue quality and style, we have specially launched a series of high-end gift boxes. Whether it's holiday celebrations, business gifts, or personal collections, our gift boxes can accurately capture that nobility and uniqueness. Exquisite craftsmanship and luxurious touch make the recipient feel full of sincerity and surprise. Book printing. We provide professional book printing services, striving for perfection in every detail from cover design to interior page layout. Make your books not only carriers of words, but also the crystallization of art and culture. Before this, you may not be familiar with us. We have already provided customized services for many world-renowned brands, with products,